how to make a speed boost pad in Roblox Studio. So get a part and size it. You can copy me if you want to copy me. Go ahead. Green, neon. Okay. Now I got a little boosty. Okay. Now let's add rename it to Speed Boost. Speed Boost. SpeedPad, actually. Just do SpeedPad for short. Now let's add a script. Rename it to Speed on Touch. Speed on Touch. Okay, now onto script. Local main parent equal to script.parent. So it's getting the speed pad. Okay, now main parent dot touch. Go on, connect init function. Make sure parentheses out, add a hit, and then boom. We'll actually add first local humanoid is equal to hit dot parent. Go on, find first child. Well, wait for child, and then humanoid. Wait for child is, gotta wait for a little bit until the humanoid is loaded. Now, if humanoid, just gotta check if the humanoid's loaded. Then humanoid dot walk speed is equal to 20. Now let's see if it works. It's like a little test. So right now it's at 16. See, it works. Now I'm faster. But if you want to step it up a notch, add it to 100. Then we'll real fast. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Ba-ba. Now, if you want it to wait for a little bit, then wait 5 seconds. And then set it back to 16, which is normal speed. So, check it. After 5 seconds, it should stop. Like this. And you have to touch it again. Also did forget to anchor it, so please anchor it. But, there it goes. You just made a simple speed boost. Speed boost. I'm gonna fall off the map. Man, fall off. Whee! Okay, we're back. Boom. That's how you make a speed boost in Roblox Studio. Bye bye.